We are Sara and Joni from Vantastic, and we have traveled with that van for 9 years.
Full time, and we have traveled over 30 different countries, and at the moment we are in stunning Montenegro.
Yeah, Tara Canyon, second most deepest canyon in the whole world after Grand Canyon.
We are inside of the Durmitor National Park, and it costs €5 per person.
And €3 for camping overnight. Either tent or camper van or car or anything.
Or motorcycle. Great thing about this Montenegrin National Park is that you can kind of off-road and park your vehicle wherever you want to and set up a camp. So there's not designated places where you should camp.
And also you can buy the yearly pass. It's €13.5 per person. So you can enter all the national parks.
Yeah.
I think this is the most expensive one with the €5 entry fee, and other ones are €3 per person.
And Varden comes to cash you every day, so if you want to stay here for 3 nights, then it's better to buy the pass.
Yes. Quick lunch at the Durmitor. As you can see, this would be also working as a wild camping spot. So if we all don't find any better place to spend the night, then we come here. Yeah, really beautiful surroundings, and you can go even a little bit of off-roading here to spend the night. Yeah, we are inside of National Park, and you can spend night here looking at these really beautiful rock formations. Really nice looking truck camper, and small enough. We have seen lots of big ones. I think this is good size because you can go also off-roading with that. If you have too big, you cannot go anywhere. That even goes in the forest easily. It has solar panels on the roof and really low profile window also. So even some sticks don't matter. And they have really new all-terrain tires. All tires are quite at the end of their lifetime.
Stupid truck camper is blocking our way to the hill. But we will continue driving and find a better spot to ourselves. It's easy when you are in these beautiful surroundings. We came for a little day hike, and now we are force feeding the material to you. Stunning views, weird kind of structures on those rocks, really stripy, like somebody scratched at them. Yeah, epic scenery. Nature here is so beautiful. I don't know how much wildlife there is. There should be some What are those? Mountain goats in English. Yeah. I'm just so speechless. And that's our house. That's our home.
Small hikes are good for us. We are old, so we want to have just easy hikes. Yeah, it is easy to actually find here. Just come to Durmintor National Park P4 route, and when you see that, and don't fall, see that formation over there, then you know that you are there. And it's just a small hike to this top. Yeah. There goes also lots of hiking routes on those cliff faces there, so if you want some more demanding, also there's more demanding routes.
You would think when you live in a van you never have to unpack, but when you do daily activities you do.
Small hike, it was nice.
Day in the nature. One cultural shocks. We are from Nordic countries, and when we are in the nature it means quiet time, and here in the Balkans they scream talk to each other. The louder the better.
So we decided also to go outside of National Park to the Tara Canyon, and there is some sightseeing place where we can spend the night.
Yeah, it's so much more relaxing to sleep the night because you don't have to worry about the warden banging our van door and asking for fee. Scary human contacts, we try to avoid those.
Yeah. So when you can avoid human contacts, avoid.
Yeah.
That is our
motto during our travels.
We will say goodbye to Bear Mountain and go to the Tara Canyon.
Yeah, see you there.
Yay, we found really good spot, and we are using the stones so it doesn't roll away. I'm pretty sure that the van will stay now with those rocks in its place. Yeah, Tara Canyon is just down below, and we are like on the cliff. Whee! And we can see the Bosnian side, the border is on that crossing over there. And actually, I'm not pretty sure, but I think that is the Bosnian side. Active day behind. We were in a grocery store. We got our green card for our new insurance company. Sarah got her medicine for pains, and we got through the Durmintor National Park, went for a hike, and now we have van in a really beautiful place and cold beer in hand. So perfect day. Thank you, Sarah, for spending time with me.
Thank you, and thank Vandal for providing such a nice warm shower after the hike. Here in the Balkans, freedom is one of the most amazing things. The freedom to park our van wherever we want to. Like, it does not disturb anybody if we come here in the evening time, sleep for night, and morning go away. And we can enjoy these kind of sceneries. That's why we don't go to campsites. We cannot find this kind of beauty from campsites. Sorry, that's an honest truth.